This is how your favorite AI creators, that is your Disney princess and prince, create their videos. This video I'm about to make now, they might drag me, but then I don't care anything for you guys, right? Now this is how they make their videos and do their transitions. Now these AI influencers are getting brand deals. So what are you waiting for? It's not every time African folk tales. So this is how they are able to create their videos and also make their transition. Now if you don't know me, my name is Precious Soputa. I create viral AI videos and I teach you how to create yours.
Things first is to look for the AI character you want to create. Go to your browser and search about the AI character, whichever Disney character you want to, because that's the place you're going to get the base. Once you have gotten the character, make sure to save it. After getting the character, save it. Tutorial, we are going to be using Snow White character. So I identified the character I wanted to use. I made my selection, and the next thing to do is to tap on it and save the image. Now, once you tap and save the image, the next thing to do is to take your image to ChatGPT. Now, once you take your image to ChatGPT, tap on the plus sign, tap on camera, import the picture you got from your browser, and paste your prompt. For me, I just tapped on the audio part of ChatGPT, and I gave it a prompt of what I want. That is, I explained what I wanted, and I told ChatGPT to generate this image for me. That is in the modern sanctuary way. That is 21st century, yeah. And I gave it the kind of clothes I wanted. So I want the Disney character to be wearing. So after that, I am just going to send the prompt, and ChatGPT is going to start working. That is, it's going to start giving me prompts that I need to generate this image. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to be using ChatGPT to generate this image, because sometimes ChatGPT will not give you the image in question. So just copy your prompt and we head over to the next app, which we will be using to generate this character. Now we'll be heading over to your browser again, and you're going to type in Flow AI. So once you tap on Flow AI, this is what it's going to look like. Google Apps, tap on it, and it's going to bring you here. Tap on Create with Flow. Once you tap on Create with Flow, it's going to take you to the next interface, and you tap on Create New Projects. Once you tap on Create New Project, and is going to take you to this other interface where you will need to paste the prompt. Now, before pasting your prompt, make sure to set it to 9:16 and to set it to image mode and paste your prompt. And it's going to start generating the image. And it's not going to be that old and boring anymore. It's going to look the way you want it, just like this. And this is not all we need, because we need to do a transition. Now, for the purpose of this video, I did not go with any vision in mind. I just went with something random. I just said we should give me a camo and a crop top shirt. But for you, if you're really prepared, you are really prepared and you want to do this, you should know what you want. You should know if you want a traditional attire or not. So after now, you're just going to save the image. Tap on it and you're going to see download. Tap on download and you're going to save. Now, to add more sauce to this, I will need to change the clothing. So I tap on the image itself and I tapped on upload, but then I don't have any image or cloth I want to use. So I'm going to go to Pinterest for inspo. When I get to Pinterest, I'm just going to search on the kind of clothes I would be using. That is, I want her to change to an outfit. And Pinterest is the best place to get this outfit inspos. And I saw this dress. It was really nice, although it might not fit what we are doing, but then I just loved it, and I want to show you that you can actually use any dress for this. So I saved it and I took it back to our Flow AI. I loved so many dresses. I wanted to look for more dresses, but there was no time, so I decided to go with the first one, and I took it back to Flow AI, and I tapped on this plus sign here, tapped on upload photo, and I uploaded the photo we got from our Pinterest. That is the inspo we got from our Pinterest. Tap on it and it's going to upload here. So once you upload it here, you just bring it down where it says, do you want to change? That's what it says here. It says, what do you want to change? Which means if you need to change the clothing, the hair, anything you want to change, all you need to do is to upload a photo and tell it what you want to change. So after uploading this photo that I wanted, I just said, replace the clothes and the hair the character is wearing with that of the reference image. Which one is the reference image? This particular one that you are seeing down here is the reference image. Meanwhile, the other one is the main image. So After everything, just send and our picture is created. You guys see this? You guys can see how good this is. Now, this is our image that we just created, and this is just that image. Everything, the detailing is correct, and you all can see the main image, right? So this is just me showing you that you can get anything you want just the way you want it. Now you can see every detail here is also there. Now the next thing to do is to go to TikTok and get a transition video you want to use. For me, I use this transition video because this is what I want. So after getting it, just save it. Make sure to save it and then bring it to CapCut. Now once you bring it to CapCut, the next thing to do is to tap on new video. Now tap on that new video. That is the video we got from TikTok. Now once you are there, all you need to do is to split it. That is the beginning of the transition. You get half of that transition and save, that is export. Then you also do the same to the end, just like I did here. I just went to the middle where before she did her transition, I cut out the SS part and I deleted it and I exported that part because that's what I needed at that time. And I went back to that same video, that is that old video. I increased it and I cut out the beginning because I do not want the beginning, and I saved the end. That is making 2 videos because I will be using them for this transition, that is for the AI video transition. So after getting this first half and the other half, I'm going to delete the SS and export the remaining. If you have been watching this video till now, this is where it gets interesting because this is where you create the magic itself. So now the next thing to do is to tap on Dreamface Ai. Now this interface is going to open for you, but this is not what we want. So this is what we want here, Dream Act. Now tap on that Dream Act and it's going to take you to the next interface here where it says customize your avatar acting. Now this place, it says upload a video reference. That is, remember the video we cut, that is a piece of video we cut from our transition video. The first part, that is what you're going to be inputting here. So that first part, just tap on it and you're going to be inputting it and you tap on confirm. The next part is to upload a photo. Now, which photo are we uploading? We are uploading the photo we want to use for transition. That is the first part of the transition. Now, this is how you are going to do it for the first video and also for the second video in order to get it right. Now, tap on add motion to photo and tap on create, and it's going to start creating your video. Before creating this kind of video, you must have your avatar in mind. Guys, now this is our video. Our videos have been created, and remember to do the second one, that is the second video with the other image we used, right? So I'm going to skip that part, but you're going to see that at the end of this video. So keep watching. Now the next part is to go to CapCut and join our videos together. Remember we created 2 videos. Now the first video, you're going to add it and you're also going to add the second videos all into CapCut. Now when you add it, at this point you can decide to leave it, but then to make it more spicy, just add some edits to it. That is, add some color grading to it, then add some black fade so it mix up properly and nobody knows where you get your inspo from. Now that's how we create these videos. Now let's watch the video we just created now.
Time on le, oh, time on le, oh yeah, time on left, right, time on le, left, right, oh yeah, time on le, left, right, time on le, left, money go to time on le, left, right, time on le, left, right, left, right, time on le, left, right, left, right.
Now I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to like, comment and share. Bye.